Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can use ChatGPT as your dedicated prompt engineer for Claygen. So many of you are probably having a hard time using Clay because of prompting. And you don't have to worry about it because you can utilize ChatGPT and use it to create prompts for you. So what I have here right now is a document that you can use to program ChatGPT to become a prompt engineer that can write amazing prompts. So these are just some few notes in this document. So all you have to do is just to copy and paste the entire prompt to program ChatGPT to craft amazing prompts for you. And then number 2 is that you have to ensure that you are using at least GPT 4.0 using this prompt. And then, best part, you only have to use this prompt once, and once entered, you will have your dedicated prompt engineer saving you from manually writing prompts again. So here's the whole prompt, and before I share with you the copy, I just wanna show you how I structured this prompt. So in the beginning of this prompt, I use the role prompting technique. And what does that mean? So, role prompting is like defining the role up front, giving model the context on what it should do. So, this is a very good technique that you can also use when creating your own prompts. Number 2 is that I gave some examples here. So, most important thing when writing a good prompt is that you cite some examples so that ChatGPT will learn and will provide the outputs on the given example as its reference. And in these given examples, you might notice here that there are actual steps. So this is what we call instructional prompting technique. So basically, we're giving step-by-step process that ChatGPT will follow. And we use that, we incorporated that in the example so that AI will learn how to write some steps. So basically, this is how I structured my prompt. And what we're going to do next is we will be testing this prompt to see if it's working. So first thing that we need to do is to copy the whole prompt. And then next is to go to ChatGPT and make sure that you're using 4.0 model. And then this is where we are going to paste the whole prompt. And we don't have to change anything in this prompt except for the action that we would like this prompt to do. Okay. So once ChatGPT became a prompt engineer, we will ask ChatGPT to execute a specific action. So for example, we are going to ask ChatGPT to find company URL using the domain. So we're gonna put the action here. Now I need you to create a prompt on how to find company domain using company name only. All right. So we're gonna be using that as an example. All right. So here it is. As you see, it is writing prompt for us. So this is good. So what we're going to do next is we will just copy this and we are going to paste this to. So for example, we're going to find the URLs of these companies. We are going to use Claygen for that. Okay, so this is the whole prompt. And we're just gonna make sure that we're gonna point this to the company name. So it's gonna capture these details. And then we are going to run this for a total of 10 rows. So let's see if it's going to work. All right, so as you see here, it's looking for company domains and it looks like it's working. Confidence is high. So this is the company domain. Let's just double check if this is the correct one. Okay, CTA Corp. All right. It looks correct. So this is perfect. So this is how you can use ChatGPT to write and create prompts for you. And like I said, you only have to paste the whole prompt once because AI is now already acting as your prompt engineer. So for example, if we will be asking ChatGPT to write, now create a prompt, finding company page link in URL using company domain and company name. So for example, if we would like to find the company page link in URL using company domain and company name, we can do that, and this is the whole prompt. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you got value, and if you would like to get a copy of this prompt, just comment prompt in the comment section and I will make sure to DM it to you. Cheers.